how to handle work stress at a job. So today in this video we will talk about what are those time management techniques which can help you to reduce your work stress at a job. We will cover some practical tips to help you prioritize your tasks, set realistic deadlines and maintain your healthy work-life balance. So here are some practical tips to help you get started. So tip number 1. Prioritize your task by identifying the most important and urgent ones as a first task. This will help you to avoid the feeling of getting overwhelmed and it will also increase your productivity. It may happen at your workplace that you will get bombarded with so many tasks, but while assigning so many tasks by your boss, even sometimes your boss also not aware that you are working on so many work items. So and it is going beyond your capacity. So in this case, you have to make your boss realize that you have so many tasks and you should ask this honest question to your boss that please tell me what is the highest priority and the urgent task so that I can take it as first to complete. When you ask this question, then your boss also realize that you are under work stress and he or she will try to reduce your work stress and his or her inputs about which task is priority will really help you to complete your task on time, and also it will reduce your work stress. Now tip number 2. Break your large task into the small manageable chunks and also set very realistic deadlines for each and every task that is assigned to you. So when you are doing this, it may happen that while giving the deadlines, you will be questioned about the estimate that you are providing for that task, that in how many days or in how many hours that task will be completed. So when your boss is questioning your estimates, then be ready for the proper justification, because your boss just want the justification why you require so much time or this much time to complete that task. Once you are ready with the justification, then you are good to go. So tip number 3. Use time blocking. Yes, use time blocking to specifically allocate some time slot for different tasks, your work, your break and your personal commitments. Also assign some slots for your relaxation also, and try to stick to this schedule. I know this will be very difficult to follow this schedule regularly, so in sometimes you can be flexible with this schedule, but try to follow this schedule as much as possible. You will realize that you are getting more work done with maintaining your work-life balance also, if you are following this time blocking technique. Tip number 4. Avoid multitasking and focus on one task at a time. This will improve not only your quality of work, it will also improve your efficiency and you will not get caught up into the feeling of stress and overwhelming. Multitasking can lead to very high stress level, because being human, we cannot concentrate on more than one task at the same time. But the joy of completing one task at a time will motivate you or inspire you to improve your productivity, and your stress level will also get reduced. Tip number 5. Take regular breaks throughout the day to recharge your mind and maintain your focus. This is very, very important mostly when you are having a sitting job where you have some desk job, you have to stay very long hours on the desk. So it is very, very important to take regular breaks, because that will refresh your mind and recharge your energy. So hope all these tips will help you to manage your time efficiently and also help you to maintain your work-life balance. So incorporate these time management techniques into your daily routine so that it will positively impact your productivity and reduce your work stress level. So share your own tips also. If you are following something and it is working like a charm for you, that you are able to maintain your work-life balance, then share those tips in the comment section so that it will help others also. So if you really like this video, then hit that like and subscribe button and follow me for more such valuable content. Thank you for being so awesome by watching this video till the end. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.